All right guys, so first things first, I'm going to take that bumper off. This comes with provided screws, but I'm also going to try to put some bolts in there just for extra stability. You don't have to, but I'm just going to take the extra precaution. And so I'm going to go ahead and take all these bolts off and these pop clips. There's a pop clip here and a couple clips down there, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. All right guys, so the bumper is off. I did have to disconnect the turn signals and the fog lights, so if you have turn signals and fog lights, you will have to disconnect that. I'm about to put that thing on the table, put the bumper on the table, mock this up, and get to bolting it up. I'm going to start on the edges first to make sure those center up pretty well, and then I'll start going through the sides in the middle. All right guys, so with the help of my wife, she helped me kind of hold it in place while I put some screws in. We alternated with her putting some screws in, but it came out pretty good. It was a little bit difficult. If you're anything of a perfectionist like myself, you want to get everything centered right, everything symmetrical. So in that aspect, it was a little bit difficult, but I think it turned out amazing. I got all of the provided screws in. As always, I'm losing daylight, but I'm going to drill some holes and put bolts and nuts in just to secure it 100%. I might have to continue this video tomorrow, so because I still got to put the side skirts on, so I might just do that tomorrow, but it's looking good. All right guys, so I've lost all daylight, but you can see I got a bolt, a washer, and a nut behind it, and I just did it every so often where I think that it needed reinforcement. So I'm about to try to put this bumper back on, and tomorrow I'll work on the side skirts. What's up guys, so it's now day 2 of installing the lip and side skirts. That's how it looks. Of course it got dark on me yesterday, so as much as I tried, I couldn't get this bumper back on, but it looks really good. For some reason, it's so freaking hard to put this bumper on. I always struggle with it. When I painted the inside of my headlights, I struggled with it, so hopefully I can get it this time around. Alright guys, so I was able to get my bumper back on, and you can see how beautiful that front lip looks. And the side skirts was super easy compared to the front lip. Fitment looks good. Peep that weave. Now all I gotta do is wash this thing really good, because I got fingerprints all over this bad boy. But yeah, I'm gonna drop it right now. It's a cloudy day, so you can't see the weave too well. I'll try to post better clips eventually, but I'm gonna drop it and so you guys can see how it looks. Alright guys, so I actually put my roof basket back on, and I feel like it just tops it off. It really gives it that Subaru look, gives it more character. But I really love how just classic and simple the car's looking. Honestly, I'd be happy if I just dropped it some. That would look really good. Just eliminate that wheel gap. I'd be happy. But yeah, like I said, I wanted to show this Subaru a lot more love, because after I got this F-150, I kind of forgot about it for a while, so I've been trying to fall in love with this thing again. Alright guys, so finally I got a little bit of sunlight and I washed the car all up. But here's a better look at the front lip. It looks super aggressive. The fitment is really nice. Also the side skirts. Looks really good. So yeah guys, tell me what you guys think. Drop a comment. that's really gonna wrap it up for this video.